If you want to integrate your JavaScript or non-reactjs application with a React.js app and be able to access React.js components and call their methods to execute actions or get information out of them, in this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series, I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! I'm going to start with an app created using npx create react app. After that, I will start the app. Let's create a folder called Components. Inside it, create a React component using classes. Add some state so that we can modify it, and the method that we are going to be calling from outside the component to modify the name property. Finally, render the value of the name property. Go to the app.js file, import the regular component, add the component at the bottom of the header, declare an attribute called ref, and assign to it an arrow function that receives the instance of the component and assigns it into the window object. For testing, go to the browser and open localhost:3000. Just open the developer tools by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. Open the console tab, and from the regular component object, call the change name and pass a string. You can see that the value was modified inside the component. Now, let's do the same by creating a component using a function. First, import the usual objects and also import the forward ref and the use imperative handle. Let's define it. Use forward ref when defining the component and add ref as part of the parameters for the component. Define the state as before, but this time using hooks. Now, use the imperative handle hook, pass the ref object, and inside it, define the method that this component will expose to the outside as we did before. This will modify the state of our component. Finally, as before, render the value of the name property. Go to the app.js file, import the functional component, add the component below the regular component. As before, declare an attribute called ref and assign to it an arrow function that receives the instance of the component and assigns it into the window object. Go back to the browser again, and from the functional component object, call the change name and pass a string. You can see that the value was modified inside the component. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini-course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.